If your flight is axed by a drone and you're delayed by over 2 hours, you have the right to meal vouchers, 2 free phone calls and a hotel. Airlines say drone attacks are an extraordinary circumstance, and therefore they won't pay extra compensation. But under EU regulations, you have the right to be put on another flight, routed via another city, or taken to a different airport at your destination. Your airline should cover these costs and pick up the tab for getting you to the airport you originally booked. If you accept a refund, the airline's duty of care stops, and if you book another flight, it's not responsible for extra costs either. If you're delayed by over 5 hours, you have the same rights as if your flight is cancelled. If the hold-up means you miss a hotel booking or an activity you've already paid for, speak to your travel insurance provider to see if you're covered under your policy.